Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Ultrascan Diagnostics here. This is the high resolution endodontic mode of the upper right segment. The area of interest is the 5 and is the 6 and 7. Here you can see that both the teeth are root canal treated. We've got periapical radiolucencies around, and now we'll show you from a transaxial view of what the teeth are showing. So this is the parietal canal of the upper right 6. You can see major sinusitis here, no periapical radiolucencies here. Now this is the distal canal. The distal canal has a periapical radiolucency which is involving the sinus and it's draining into the sinus here, as you can very clearly see here. Now moving to the mesial root of the upper right 6. This is the mesial root. The mesial root you can clearly see has MB1 is done. MB2 seems to be very narrow and sclerotic, but seems to be have been missed in this endodontic treatment, which has resulted in a periapical radiolucency associated in the region of the MB2. So this is the mesial root of the upper right 6. Moving to the upper right 7. So this is the mesial root of the upper right 7. Again, MB while MB2 seems to be have been missed, major periapical radiolucency resulting in sinusitis, perforation of the cortical plate, and this huge cyst can be seen, this huge radiolucency can be seen associated, and it's also resulting in the external resorption of the root close to the apex. Moving to the parietal canal also shows a periapical radiolucency. Interradicular radiolucency can also be observed, and this is the distal canal, distrobuccal canal. So distrobuccal canal also has this radiolucency associated with it. But as we move slightly mesially towards the 5 and 6, you can see good architecture here, but this the mesial root of the 6 shows a radiolucency. The parietal is okay. The distal shows the radiolucency, and as we move towards the 7, you can see that there is a major periapical radiolucency, which is then resulting in major sinusitis as well. Now, from the axial view, we can see this is the 6, the parietal, the mesiobuccal, the MB2 is missing, distrobuccal, and in the 7 you can see that we've got mesiobuccal, distrobuccal, and the parietal is obturated quite deeper, and here we can see the radiolucency begins, and this is not the sinus, mind you. Now the sinus is beginning, and here you can see there's two different sinus appearances, and now the sinus appears to be homogeneous in one at this point. This is beyond so this point is just the periapical infection associated with the 7, and as we move more superiorly, now the sinus is now uniform at this point, but we can see extensive sinusitis in this region as well.